In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to your Binance account. Of course, it's impossible to directly transfer your money from Payoneer to Binance, but I will show you how to do it. We will use the middleman. In this case, middleman will be thebestchange.com, and on this platform, we will find the exchanger who is exchanging money from Payoneer to Binance Crypto. So for example, let's go to thebestchange.com, and on the left side, we need to find the Payoneer because we are sending money from Payoneer. You can use the search. Right here is Payoneer USD or Payoneer Euro. In this case, let's choose Payoneer USD. And then we need to find the cryptocurrency we want to receive on Binance. For example, let's choose Tether ERC20. And you can see there are a lot of exchangers who are exchanging money from Payoneer to crypto. They have got different exchange rates, different number of reserves, different number of reviews, and of course the minimum amounts are different, guys. I suggest you to find the exchanger who has got a lot of reviews, more than 1k, and all of them should be in green. That means all of them are positive reviews. If you see the red numbers here, red numbers are the negative ones. So for example, I will choose this exchanger who has got more than 3k reviews. He has got enough money in reserves, and the minimum amount is 150 USD. So let's click on it and we will go to his platform. So we are sending Payoneer USD and we want to receive Tether, for example, ERC20. So as you can see, we will send 150 USD. From Payoneer, this is 144, but the fees are not included. Finally, we will receive 131.6 USDT on our Binance account. If you agree to this exchange rate, you can paste your ERC20 USDT wallet address right here. So to find the wallet address, you need to go to your Binance, go to your spot account, find USDT and click on these three dots on the right side, then select deposit. And in the network, you need to find ERC20. Then copy the wallet address and paste it right here. Then you need to enter your data, your name, your email address, your WhatsApp number, and click on exchange. But before we will exchange, you can see that they have got different operation times. For example, orders are typically completed within 3 to 6 hours and may take to 24 to 48 hours. So keep this in mind. When you click on exchange, you will see the Payoneer details, and then you need to send 150 USD to his Payoneer account. So just go to your Payoneer, click on pay, select pay to recipient's Payoneer account, and send the money to him, and you will receive your crypto on the Binance. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.